unapologetically. They say I be problem child. It's okay cause I own my
kati abeegomba muganda wange okuwuliriza ennyimba munanga ate ezirimu wali ekimampiano kya afrobeat wali omwana Abba Marcus akitabuddemu wano muganda wange era nga munange oluyimba problem child amaze n'alufulumya mutabani wa Chameleone.
Don't listen to nobody. Nobody should tell you a thing. Be yourself, unapologetically. They say I be problem child. It's okay cause I own my life. 5K people on my life. I teach him my nigga, I'm that guy. Dirty love, when I smoky bud, and I'm wanting more. Oh my god, I don't crack the code. Now I'm about to blow. Wake up, get up, go scream for your neighbor. Get money flex on your head top. Only person I fit is my makeup. Oh good, and they really wanna know. Every day now, someone won't go. Let them talk, see fire. They don't know I be that guy. Problems, I be problem child. I be problem why? All thanks to the Most High. Problems, I be problem child, and I don't know why. I'ma live my sipping on UG tune, you meet way. Young nigga straight out to the K. 5M just to show my face. Okay, lead them in shocky. Quite frankly, I don't care what you're talking. Quite frankly, HIM cause I'm popping. I'm that nigga on TV, they copy. And they know I be big bro. Oh that guy, yeah. Inside the world. Then he probably wanna enter. Mr. Money booty bender. No money nigga bender. Don't want me to anger. Problems, I be problem child. I be problem why? All thanks to the Most High. Problems, I be problem child, and I don't know why. I'ma live my
naye nga bwekityo munanga ate bwekitambudde omwana ono Abba Marcus oluyimba luno alutadde ku mukutu gwe munange ogwa YouTube. Ngenda kubeera nga nkomawo maaso eyo katono nnyo nezi update endala making sure nti no subscribing nga obeera nga tonaba.